Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Marko, I'm 19 and I'm a Serbian guy that was born in Spain. I lived my entire life here, well aside for a few years that I was in Serbia, but mostly here. I want to sing for you guys in Skid Row. It's the biggest honor I could ever have as a singer because you're my mom's favorite band and mine also. I can remember myself listening to psychotherapy when I was 4, and I had an image of that song. It's crazy. So I'm not gonna go on rambling. I want to keep it real with you. Monkey Business is in one take. I did it live in my room, if you can call it live even. But yes, in my room, one take, and 18 and live it was a few takes, and I mixed them. I put them together. Well, anyway, I hope you like it and have a great.
Well, outside my window there's a whole lot of trouble coming. The cartoon killers and the rock over clones. Psyche's kicking rhythm of social circumcision. I can close the closet on a shoebox full of bones. Any sort of